everybody, my name is Matty D of In the Black here with a my review, or not a review, but testimonial, legit one of Better Qualified. If you're not familiar with Better Qualified, what they are is a credit repair agency. They are located in Eatontown, New Jersey. Been there, had an interview with the president of the company, CEO. He's awesome, and I can tell you that what they do works. I've referred many clients to them whose scores have gone up. They've gotten items deleted off their account. They also specialize in business credit, which is good. So they'll be helping work on mine once I get my LLC established. And if you're watching who's watching this, you want to get business credit established, because with your LLC or whatever, if you're going to be incorporated or become an LLC, a tax ID serves as the same function as a social security number. You can actually build credit with that and get like business credit cards, business lines of credit without affecting your personal credit. So they'll do that for you. And especially, I've sent a lot of business. They flew me up there. They paid for my trip to go up there and took me out. It was great, but I earned it. I prefer them on business though. So if you want a company you can trust and who'll tell you the truth, how long it takes, and I'll work with you and tell you what you need so you can get a higher credit score and fix credit. And this way you have a better peace of mind. I'm telling you, work with them. They stay on top. They communicate with you. They want to help you out. So if you got any questions, call me directly myself, 240-418-2646, okay? But anything else, give them a call today. Go to Better Qualified. Tell them about this video. Mention me, okay? Mention me. Maybe they can give you a special deal. I'm not sure, but mention this video here. Give them a call. You know, one of the numbers you can call is 732-609-0991. Again, you ready? Get the move. Fix your credit. Do what you got to do. Again, 732-609-0991. Give them a call today. You're glad you did. My name is Matty D in the Black. Get in the Black, my friend. Get your credit score up. Go places. Peace.